Okay guys, kind of an exciting day for us here at Iron Rock. We're not doing our normal stuff, not doing Jeep builds or Jeep off-roading, but we're actually getting rid of one of our Mazak lathes and we're bringing in a new one. So this is our first lathe that we ever bought. It's built a ton of parts for us. We've had it for 15 or 16 years now. It's been awesome. Been an awesome tool for us, and it's actually going off to a new home. I think it's in Indiana, to continue to make parts for somebody else. But we've got a new machine that's just gonna be a little faster for us, and it's gonna be a little more compact. So it's gonna be a lot better fit for what we're doing. But some of the parts we'd build on it would be like flex end balls. So the lathe that's gonna spin the part and the tool's gonna come in. With this one, we can mill it in multiple different directions. Got a lot of different things we can do with this machine. So we're excited to have it. And we'll kind of show you some of the stuff as this one goes out the door. We've got some professional riggers that are specifically trained and have the equipment to get it out the door safe, get the new one in the door safe, and then by next week we'll have it making new parts. It's getting ready to leave now, but our whole machine shop is still functioning. We've still got to make your parts. We've got to get them out the door to you guys. We can't have that delayed for you. So it's a heck of a mess right now. We've got a lot of stuff in places it doesn't belong. But once this gets out, the new one gets in, it can all get organized and cleaned up again, and then we can be even faster with getting parts out to you. This is kind of where all of our machine shop stuff starts. You know, we've got a raw material rack, and we've got everything from control arm tube material to transfer case drop spacers to our flex end race material. We've got everything all right here. It's all stocked up. And what we do is it goes into our machine shop, it all gets machined into parts to go off to our weld shop. It gets welded, bent, and then we send it off to a third party for powder coating or plating. Then it comes back to our warehouse and it gets packaged up and boxed up and sent out to you guys as a completed kit. So something that we're real proud of. It's something we really try and make everything that we possibly can here in the US with US people and US steel and US plastics, and as much as we can, we try and have it so that you are getting the best quality parts that we possibly can get you. And now here's our new machine that's super exciting. Brand new, hasn't even come out of the package yet. It's going to be that same turning center. It's got a bar feeder that's going to come in and feed the bars so it can cut the parts just as it's machining the part. It'll cut it off, drop it into a tray that'll put it into basically into a bucket, and just do that all automatically for us. So it's going to be really just a nice streamlined operation. Try and get parts as accurately and quickly as we possibly can for you. So it's our new Mazak lathe, and this is actually made right here in the US. It's made in Kentucky for us. The chip conveyor is made by Jorgensen, another US company, and LNS makes our bar feeder. That's again another company made right here in the USA. So as much stuff as we can. We're trying to make all US products out of all US equipment and make sure that we're getting you guys the best stuff that we can possibly get you.
We don't care about tariffs.
Tariffs don't affect us much, so we do our best to do everything that we can with stuff that's here. Tariffs, not much of a concern. So this little robot is all controlled by the remote control, and this thing's able to lift 60,000 pounds. They're going to be able to use that to power this 15,000 pound lathe. They're just going to guide it right out the door to where they can get at it with their forklift. So on the right side here, you can see that Hillman track supporter. That thing is the powered skate that's going to push this thing out. And on the other side, they've got basically idler skates that the track supporter is rated for 60,000 pounds. I imagine those skates are rated for the same. And they're just going to guide this thing out with that and just roll it right to the door to where they can get it with the forklift. This is so freaking cool. Okay, time for the unboxing of the new Mazak. This thing is going to be a 15,000 pound machine. This will be a QT 250MY. So exciting. Make sure I don't get something that doesn't do any harm.
Don't cut anything important.
Oh, that's the power cable. New machine's in place, super excited. R&R Rigging did an awesome job. They're just gonna get it all set down on the ground, and then Mazak will be in on Monday, and they're gonna come in and get it all leveled up, get it all ready to run. So we're gonna be making parts on Tuesday with this thing. Made in the USA.